In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to mention someone in WhatsApp status. This can help acknowledge them, show appreciation, or engage them in a shared moment. To mention anyone in your WhatsApp status, simply head to WhatsApp. On the status page, tap right here to add any media. It can either be a photo or video. Now you want to tap onto this icon on your bottom right. You can either scroll through your contacts or simply head to the search bar and search for that specific contact. Once selected, tap on Done. Go ahead and add any caption if you wish to. And once everything is set, tap on the Share button to share your status to public. They will get notified that you mentioned them in your status. Well, this makes them feel valued, strengthen relationships, and create a sense of inclusion. That's how easy it is to mention someone in your WhatsApp status. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.